Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in this session, we're going to deal with the work offline mode in 3D Experience SolidWorks. Let's get started with this. You just need to switch to the compass and from there you can access to SolidWorks Connected, which is 3D Experience SolidWorks Cloud we can say. So if you want to access from my roles, you can just use the search and you can just search SolidWorks. We have the collaborative designer and 3D Experience SolidWorks Simulation Designer and 3D Experience SolidWorks Premium, which are my roles. Like even if you have the other roles, you can access it. But collaborative designer and the 3D Experience SolidWorks Premium, Professional, and Standard will be the roles according to your purchase. So right now, I'm going to use the SolidWorks Connected. In the sense, the 3D Experience SolidWorks Premium, the collaborative designer in the sense, this is the connector for the perpetual SolidWorks, the desktop SolidWorks which you are using. For that, it is the connector. Okay, can you see this one? Design with SolidWorks. This particular tool will help you to access the cloud collaboration with respect to the perpetual software. But this 3D Experience SolidWorks Premium is the 3D Experience SolidWorks we can say. Okay, so if you want to launch it, you can simply click on this, or else if you want to create the like if you want to download it for the first time, you can simply click on this drop down. You'll be having the access to download this particular connector first, and then you can able to use it. So this is the tool which will help you to create the desktop icon, like the shortcut. So if you click on this, create the desktop shortcut, the next time if you want to access, you don't need to open this entire workbench and come to this compass and open it. Directly you can click on the shortcut icon. I'll showcase. So once you click on this, it will launch the SolidWorks Connected. Okay, I'll showcase the icon here. Can you see this? This is the icon. So if you can even pin to the taskbar, so whenever you want, you can access it from here. Just click on this icon as you do for the perpetual desktop SolidWorks. It will work same. Okay, yeah. So this is the workbench. Can see the user interface. It is same, exactly same as that of the SolidWorks perpetual uh, software, and you could see from this you can access this particular 3D experience collaboration. So if you open any of the model, so with respect to that, I could able to get the all the PLM activities from this 3D experience collaboration. Okay, so you could see all the files which I had created, it is saved and reserved, the revisions and maturity state, each and everything you can able to manage here. Okay, so now the main purpose of this session is to showcase how exactly we can work on this SolidWorks in offline mode if you are using the SolidWorks Connected, which is 3D Experience SolidWorks. Remember, you better remember this 3D Experience SolidWorks as SolidWorks Connected, which is the same SolidWorks, same desktop SolidWorks connected to the cloud. That is the main advantage of the SolidWorks Connected. Okay, now the question is how to work offline mode. I don't want to use the internet access every time, so I just want to use it offline mode. What to do for that? So we have the option here. So just beside your common space, you'll be having the search icon. So just beside that, you have the your access, the named user, that is my name. You can just click on this option, that is work offline. So you need to close all the files. So right now I had opened the component, I'll close it. Now just access this again. Remember that whenever you're going to deal with this work offline mode, you need to close all the files. Now it has the option to deal with the offline mode up to 30 days to 1 day like this. So if you want to use it for 30 days, you can simply enter the 30 and you can read these all the instructions. Just click on OK. So what it does is, you had seen the collaboration, right? This particular thing will be deactivated until and unless you start working on online mode. Let me showcase the same. Yeah, now working offline, you have 30 days remaining. So you can even say working offline, 30 days remaining at the status bar as well. So you can simply work as you do in SolidWorks desktop software. Okay, that is the biggest advantage of this SolidWorks connected. So whenever you want, if you want to get online and save all the files to the cloud platform, or you want to maintain the maturity states and PLM activities, you just need to again click on this working offline and just click on this. Do you want to reconnect to the 3D experience platform? Just say yes, it will automatically connect to the platform. Yep, as you could see, now you have the access to the 3D experience platform, and you can do all the kinds of uh, change managements and the PLM activities. Okay, the collaborative space, common space accessed, and working offline mode got disconnected. Yep, so this is all about the working offline mode and SolidWorks connected. Thank you all. Stay tuned. Bye everyone.